This is an exercise to teach your student about the blind spot. It is important for students to safely change lanes, either to the left or right. When changing lanes, you need to check your blind spot to the back left or back right. Ask your student to extend their hand with their thumb pointing upward. As you move back into the blind spot, ask your student to put their thumb down once they can no longer see you in the side mirror. The student driver should extend their hand out the window with their thumb up while looking in the driver's side mirror. As the instructor, slowly step straight backward. Once you get close to the back bumper, move slightly to the left. The student driver should be looking in the driver's side mirror. Once the student driver can no longer see you in the side mirror, they should turn their thumb down. Then, they should lean forward and look back. This area is called the blind spot. This indicates to the student that if there is a vehicle in the blind spot and they change lanes, they might either cut off that vehicle or potentially collide with it. Now let's examine it from the perspective of the passenger side mirror. Move to the right side of the vehicle and ask the student to turn their thumb down when they can no longer see you in the passenger side mirror. This exercise helps students identify their blind spots on both sides, which is crucial for every lane change.